Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the multiple stream king, Derek Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen, real quick, before I get started, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, check it out. I know y'all say, man, you sure is loud. Listen, I'm fired up and excited, man. This is literally how I always am. You can check my videos, check my track record. I'm always fired up and excited, man, because I love what I do. All right, but there's an extra level of excitement today. Why? Because you can see right here in the top right, Derek Williams EVP Platinum. Platinum. This is the third highest rank in the company, y'all. Do you realize there's only 2 more ranks? Once I achieve the top rank, that's a 6-figure income literally with just 1 stream. Right? I got multiple streams. I'm the multiple stream king for a reason. Okay? But with just this 1 stream, I have 2 more levels and I'll be 6-figure earner, okay, in just this 1 company. And I'm gonna share with you all how I did it, man. This is a phenomenal company. I love everything about it, man. If you're looking at this for the first time, you've been looking at myecon, been looking for a leader to join. Here's the thing: I don't achieve EVP Platinum by myself. All right, my team, all right, is helping me grow. Okay, I have leaders on my team that's getting to work just like I'm getting to work. Okay, I'm not playing any games with this, you all. And guess what? I did this while working 50 hours a week on my job. All right, so I'm going to eliminate all the excuses, and I work the night shift. Okay, so those days kind of run together, and the time is kind of seems like it's hard to find. You got to make time. You got to make time. So listen, let me show y'all something real quick, man. Okay, let me show y'all it's not a game. This is the picture I seen. Okay, look, I said didn't know to the company shared this, but I am now a platinum member in myecon. I told my wife I would get it done by the end of June. Fire Your Boss campaign in full effect. You all, I'm on a mission to fire my boss again. Okay, I fired my boss back in December 26th of 2015. Okay, and I was full-time from home for about 3 years. Unfortunately, the unfortunate happened with one of the companies where I had pretty much 4 streams in this one particular company. All right, and they didn't pull the plug, but they did something that literally hurt financially, man, and more money was going out than coming in because of a decision that they made. All right, and because I had too many eggs in that basket, okay, it hurt. All right, and so I didn't go broke, but there was more money going out than coming in. So I told my wife, listen, I don't want to do it, but I'm going to have to go back, all right, and work for a little bit, all right, just to supplement that income. Okay, so I'm on a mission to fire my boss again. The goal is to get it done, all right, by the end of December. So come 2020, I'm back full time from home. Okay, but I'm eliminating excuses. I'm showing you all right now, if you have a job, you can do this. Some people are saying, okay, what is myecon? Okay, let me show you real quick. I'm going to make this video short. All right, myecon is the financial success company. All right, I love this company because they have 2 people need and want. Okay, this is a product like none other. Okay, we're basically, okay, allowing people to eliminate debt. Okay, we're allowing people to fix their credit. Okay, and we're allowing people to get a raise on their paycheck. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I mean real quick. If you have a 9 to 5, okay, 9 times out of 10 you're overpaying on your taxes. All right, just to get that tax refund at the end of the year. Okay, but that's money you can have right now. A lot of people saying, man, but then they're going to mess up my taxes. No, myecon is going to show you how at the end of the tax season you can still receive a tax refund check because you're running a home-based business. All right, there's tons of deductibles and write-offs that you all have no idea about. All right, but you're just kind of lost in the sauce and you don't know what you don't know. That's where myecon comes in to share with you and give you that knowledge. All right, so you're knowledgeable. All right, so you can go ahead and start getting that money back now, and you're basically giving yourself a raise on your paycheck. Okay, because once you go here, all right, and you adjust your W-4, okay, it's going to show you how you basically give yourself a raise. Okay, and so I have my team doing it. They show that first paycheck stub. Okay, and then after they adjust their W-9 and go back that next paycheck, they see, oh, they made an extra. Depending if you get paid weekly or bi-weekly, you know, it can range anywhere from $50 to $60, anywhere from $100 to $200 extra on your paycheck. So some people are coming home with like an extra $400 a month, all right, that they were just giving the IRS. And the IRS states, even on their website, okay, that you guys are overpaying on your taxes. Okay, and so this is completely legal. All right, people asking, is it illegal? No, it's completely legal, but we're going to show you how at the end of the year you still can win in tax season. Okay, so, and that's just basically going to the income shifting membership, and it's going to show you how to do that. Follow the steps, step by step. All right, and you can adjust your W-9 and give yourself a raise on your job without your boss giving it to you. Okay. Second, all right, This is one of the main reasons to me why people are jumping all over this, okay? It's because of the 750 credit plan, all right? Cash is king, but credit is power, all right? You have over 10 modules, all right, showing you how to repair and fix your credit. Repair, fix, and build credit, okay? From A to Z, all right? Video based, showing you exactly what to do, all right? So you can either go pay these credit repair agents, specialists, you know, hundreds of thousands of dollars to fix it, or you can actually do it yourself for literally $35 a month. Come on, no brainer. And it's paying for itself once you take care of what? The income shifting, giving yourself a raise. Okay? Simple, sweet, self-explanatory. Okay? That there alone, this thing is worth thousands, okay? But it's only $49.95 to get started right now for a special discount, okay? I had a special running for $19.95. That's over, all right? But guess what? I'm still not charging you the full amount of $99.95. Right now, for a limited time, you can get in for $49.95, okay? You can't beat it. And after that, it's only $35 a month, all right? So let me give y'all the secret sauce of showing you what I'm doing to win and win big, and how I'm getting sales each week, how I'm helping my team get sales. All right, it's simple and self-explanatory. Leaders use tools. Okay, leaders use tools. All right, there's going to be info below to actually join myecon. There's going to be info below on this amazing tool that you can get now for free. All right, for the first 14 days, it's free. But I love everything about this tool. All right, the tool actually pays for itself. Okay, you have to watch the information below to check it out. But I just want to show you all. All right, you have all leaders in this industry, in the network marketing industry, in the internet-based industry that are winning and winning big. They rely on systems. Systems, the acronym for system is saving yourself time, energy, and money. Okay, we're in a new day and age. This is a technology-based age. All right, you have to get caught up with the times. Okay, and so just kind of show you all, look, just some of the training that we get back here, so you can see exactly how I'm able to convert. Okay. The conversion pros is what it costs. And I'm actually converting every single week because I have system and tools in place. Okay, so I'm not going to go into it because I want to make this video too long. I'm already fired up and excited. I know some of you are already fired up and excited. Thank you for everyone who hit me up and told me congratulations. A lot of you all follow me on Facebook. I really appreciate it. Okay, so we got email broadcasting, how to add a page, how to save a page, how to add YouTube or video. This is all about funnels and capture pages. Okay. Funnels and capture pages, all right? You want to put your business on autopilot. It's all about automation in the internet game, okay? It's all about automation in the internet game. You want to work smart and not hard, okay? And at the same token, in the same voice, you want to put your feet to the pavement and work your butt off, okay? But still working smart and not hard, if that makes sense, okay? And that's by having capture pages. All right, autoresponders. This thing has a built-in autoresponder, so you don't have to go spend money on a third-party autoresponder. It already has it. All right, it already has email messages set and ready for you to send out to your prospects. All right, it already has done for you capture pages, and you can go in and create your own. I like to create my own. Some I've used of theirs. Okay, but all this info, okay, all of this here, these are straight videos telling you exactly what to do and how to do it. What is a sales funnel? It's going to educate you. You're going to become an online sales pro after dealing with this. Okay, and then also you're able to open up another stream of income with this thing. Like I say, it's $50 a month, okay, but you get $25 per referral. And so my conversion pro is basically paying for itself. I'm using this system for free, all right, because I already got more than 2 people, you know, paying for this system every single month because they need it. You actually can use this tool for whatever business. A lot of you all may be in the multiple streams like myself on the internet. This is perfect, okay, because I run multiple streams and I have different capture pages that I'm able to send it to. Okay, I mean, this thing is the one-stop shop. And like I said, you can try it for yourself for 14 days. You will not be disappointed. This is the best $50 I spend every single month. But like I say, it pays for itself now. All right, because of, you know, me sharing this with other online entrepreneurs, and you can actually do the same. But you're gonna love it. What I love the most is that you actually get this mobile app. All right, that comes on your phone. So anytime you get a lead, you can go ahead and email them. You can go ahead and call them. You can go ahead and text them. Whatever you need right away. You have the information. Okay. The fortune is in the follow-up. You are going to learn that people are not going to sign up with you right away, all right? Sometimes, here's the thing. I'm going to put it like this. It's like a commercial, okay? You're watching a commercial, and let's just say it's a new food item come out, and you see it and like, whoa, I want to try it. Do you get up and go buy it right away? No, all right? And then you might forget. Okay, because life happens. But what happens? You're watching TV and boom, it pops up again. You know what you say? You know, I'm going to make a decision to go get that this Saturday. And you might go get it this Saturday and you might not. But guess what happens? You might see it Saturday morning and you had already forgot, but that commercial came on again. It's a follow-up. All right, you see it again. Boom, that's what I thought. I forgot we was going to go get this today. Let's go. Boom, that's how it works in this business as well, man. People do not sign up right away. Some people do, majority don't, okay? But the fortune is in the follow-up, all right? So you just have to keep putting that info out there, all right? Upon joining my team, you're going to be added to our private Facebook training group, all right? You're also going to be added to the #1 group in myecon, which is myecon Takeover. I can show you the number of people in there right now, all right? So you're going to have tons of training. You will not be left behind, all right? But you have to come in and you have to do your work. I tell people all the time, man, this is not a babysitter business, all right? This is a business for adults. All right, you got to come in willing to work. And if you're willing to put in the work, man, you can win. Okay? You can win. You can win big time. All right, so check this out. Let's just show you. I just want to show you the number real quick. And then I'll get off of here, and it's up to you to make a decision. Like I said, right now, $49.95 for you to join. If you're already in myecon, hey, you can, and you look, you like, so I want to know how you got to, to platinum. What are you using? What tools are you using? Simple and plain. I am using the Conversion Pros, and the link is below. All right, I want you all to see the number of people. Hold on 1 second so I can show you that number. All right, boom, there it is. I had to type it in real quick. So as you can see, 12,506 members. We're not playing games, man. People are getting added daily, almost about a minute, okay? Because we have something powerful. Like I said, right now you can get in for $49.95. We're talking about $50, people. All right, $50 to change your life. You can make anywhere from $20, $50 to $100, man. Like I said, I'm 2 levels away, all right, from a 6-figure income just from one stream of income. I will be a multi-millionaire, all right, within 5 years. All right, that's the goal, okay, and I know I'm going to achieve it. I know I'm going to hit it, all right? The choice is yours. What are you going to do? What's your income goal? What are your goals? I want to help you succeed. I want to help you hit it, man. It's the Multiple Stream King, Ladarius Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family, man. Mr. EVP Platinum, on my way to CEO Infinity, man. I'll see you on the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and oh yeah, click on them links. See you on the inside.